Then there's the Dragon/Mono kits, which are a collaboration between the Hong Kong-based Dragon and the Japanese-based Mono company. Originally was a series of 5 kits, most of which were made for the Japanese market, and with some finding their way to the rest of the world as well. Made in 2021, and a 38T with a SIG 33 mounted came out in 2022. They all came with magic tracks and interior, and some with additional PE compared to the earlier versions of those kits. The illustration is from this old one from 2004. It did not include interiors as this one does. There's also the Panzer II. Many of the Dragon Panzer IIs, I should add, do already have interior parts included, as some of the later Panzer I kits did. The third one is the Sonderkraftfahrzeug 138 Panzerjäger Marder III, also with interior parts included. This is an open-top vehicle, so it was common for the kits to have interior parts, otherwise it would look really funny. So, of course, even Tamiya kits, for instance, which are usually some of the simplest ones, of course, had interior parts for open-top vehicles. Mono Dragon kits is a very nice series, I think. The exception is the T3476, which seems to be just a standard T34 from Dragon, and with individual tracks on sprues and a 2-piece gun barrel. It doesn't even come with the PE ventilation grills, which they started adding in 2004. And then Dragon released a Tiger I Whitman kit in this monokit series in 2024. According to Scalemates, it's a rebox of Cyber Hobby White Box product number 6350. It looks a lot like the Cyber Hobby Orange Box kit product number 9142, which was, by the way, an excellent Orange Box kit. Is the only kit in the monokit series to have single-piece tracks, which I assume is DS tracks. Lastly, in 2025, Dragon released kit number MD007, a Japanese IG-8 Type 97 Jihad tank, and MD008, which was an amphibious tank, the Type 2 Kami. Both of them had Lincoln Length tracks.